Question number 6 says that a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeters and the base diameter 24 centimeters, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeters and radius 8 centimeters. We have to find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 grams of mass. We have to use pi to be equal to 3.14. We'll draw the figure of the iron pole first, which looks like this. In this we can see that we have a larger cylinder at the bottom and a smaller cylinder at the top of the larger cylinder. So for the larger cylinder, the diameter has been given as 24 centimeters. So the radius will be half of it, and that will be equal to 12 centimeters. Height is given as 220 centimeters. The radius of the smaller cylinder is 8 centimeters as given here, and the height for it, which is small h, equals 60 centimeters. So to find the mass of the pole, we'll first have to find the volume, and from the figure we can clearly say that the volume of the pole will be equal to the sum of the volumes of the two cylinders. So we can write it as pi r square h, r and h in caps because it's the volume of a larger cylinder, plus pi r square h, r and h in smalls because it is the volume of the smaller cylinder. As we know the values of all the parameters, all the dimensions here, we can directly substitute it. We write it as 3.14 times 12 times 12 times 220 plus 8 times 8 times 60. So that on further calculation gives us 3.14 times 31680 plus 3840. That on further calculation gives us the volume of the pole as 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube. Now that we have found out the volume of the pole, we now can find the mass. The mass of pole will be equal to 8 grams times the volume of the pole. Because we have been given with that in 1 centimeter cube, 8 gram of the mass is there. So let's substitute the values. We write it as 8 times volume of the pole, which is 1,11,532.8. We get the mass of the pole as 8,92,262.4 grams. Now if we convert this into kgs by dividing the given answer by 1000, we get the answer as 892.26 kgs, which is the mass of the iron pole. And this is how we solve this question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.